So right now we are preparing the Glutex GQ1 sanitizer and disinfectant solution. So here we have some of the product, the sanitizer and disinfectant, and we're gonna use on pumping machine sprayer. So the dilution that we need when we are preparing the Glutex GQ1 solution is 1 fluid ounce per gallon, and in this case we have the total volume of 2 gallons. So we are gonna mix, of course, 2 fluid ounces because here we have 2 gallons, and then we're gonna just use in the form of spray and foam, of course, and then disinfect some pan surfaces as well. Here we have the solution prepared, and as you can see, I'm wearing all the PPEs, so gloves, coveralls, safety glasses, and shoes and masks as well. So we're gonna start applying the product on surfaces. As you can see, we can use on different types of surfaces, and the contact time here is very important. For Glutex, the GQ1, we recommend, and according to our EPA label, we need 10 minutes contact time on the surfaces so all the pathogens can be eliminated and we have this enough contact time. Of course, it's very important to clean the surfaces before, so you should use a cleaner, wait the contact time as well, rinse, and then you disinfect. And there's no need to rinse the disinfectant after the contact time, and you're good to go. So one good advantage of GQ1 is that it has a synergy between quaternary ammonium compound and glutaraldehyde, so it's more glutaraldehyde and less quaternary ammonium compound. So it's the quaternary ammonium compound, it's gonna open the door because it's a surfactant as well, so it's gonna damage the pathogen membrane, and then the biocide, that is the glutaraldehyde, is gonna work on the pathogen and eliminating the pathogen as well. So it's a very good and interesting chemistry and synergy as well. As you can see, the product has a good solubility as well. It generates a foam, and as it has a low concentration of quaternary ammonium compound, after the solution or the disinfectant is dry, it won't leave that sticky feeling on the surface, what is very important as well.